Shalom. Today in our study of Jewish law of halacha, we're going to discuss counting Sefiras omer and the idea of the brachah of Sefiras omer. We know the famous idea of that if you miss a day, you can't count with a brachah. That we've all learned that, and we all know the different halachas that we're careful about not saying what day it is when it's time to count so that we don't mess it up, and so on and so forth. We know that we're very careful to count every single day so we don't miss it, and then we can't say with a brachah going forward. But let's say we missed a day. Should we continue to count with or without a bracha? And what's the idea? The answer is yes. The bracha and all brachos on mitzvos are never likuva. They never negate the mitzvah. The bracha is one thing that we have to make on every mitzvah. And then there is the mitzvah itself. The mitzvah itself stands alone from the bracha. So even if you can't make a bracha, you still perform and fulfill the mitzvah. So if you forgot a day of Sefiras omer, you still continue to count. The fact that you're not making a bracha is an issue in terms of the bracha and the laws of brachos, but is not an issue when it comes to fulfilling the mitzvah of Sefiras omer. So if you missed a day, you should for sure continue to count even without a bracha, and it is just as important as counting with a bracha. Shalom.